the only one for me. And repeat steps 1 through 3. Make you fall in love with me. If ever I believe my work is done, then I start back at 1. Yeah, yeah. It's so incredible the way things work themselves out, and all emotional once you know what it's all about. Hey, and undesirable